dear audience. Today we are here to talk about a precious resource, a resource which we all take for granted. In this video, we will teach you the ways to conserve water. And if we don't, the consequences is a huge shortage of fresh water in various regions of the world. Today, me and my group is here to guide you, and I hope you will be inspired by our ideas and will take a step forward and will do something to conserve water. Me and my group is here to give you a valuable lesson, that is, save water, save humanity.
Rainwater harvesting is a type of harvest in which the raindrops are collected and stored for the future use, rather than allowing it to run off. Rainwater can be collected from rivers or roofs and redirected to a deep pit, wall, shaft, borehole, or aquifer.
Bamboo towers is an alternative freshwater source for rural populations in places where infrastructure does not exist and communities are isolated. A lightweight, easily constructed bamboo tower can be installed. It works on the consideration of water vapor from humid air on wire gauze network. One tower gives 24 gallons of fresh water per day. Water is purely obtained from air and is drinkable.
Small bore wells in water spring channels can be done for water coming down from hills or mountains to transfer water into underground aquifers for water table rising and also avoiding the water runoff to sea.
Glacier growing or glacier grading aims at creating small new glaciers to increase water supply for crops and in some cases to sustain micro hydropower. In order to encourage the growth of a glacier, local farmers acquire ice from naturally occurring glaciers and carry it to high altitude areas where the ice is put inside a small cave dug out in a slope. Along with the ice, other ingredients such as water, salt, sawdust, wheat, husk and charcoal are placed at the site. Natural supply of water and drop in temperature creates an artificial glacier.
Water diversion is used for diverting water towards arid zones to irrigate unpopulated land, which are fertile but have a scarcity of water and are on the downstream of a river. Diverting water permanently or temporarily for construction purposes, for example in a river or stream beds, can significantly affect the natural surrounding of a habitat.
A reservoir, most commonly an enlarged natural or artificial lake, pond or impoundment created using a dam or lock to store water. It can be created in a number of ways, including controlling a water course that drains an existing body of water, interrupting a water course to form an embayment within it through excavation or building any number of retaining walls.
Porous concrete is a special type of concrete with a high porosity used for concrete flatwork applications that allow water from rain and other sources to pass directly through, thereby reducing the runoff from a site and allowing groundwater recharge. Porous concrete is made using large aggregates with little to no fine aggregates.
I would like to call my friend who helped me make this video.
Hi, I am Subhan and I did the voiceover for rainwater harvesting.
Hi, I'm Azil and I did the voiceover for water storage dam.
Hi, I am one of the person who did the voiceover and I did the voiceover of the river water diversion.
Hey, and I